Has been here in western Pennsylvania since 1886, and today it's going to reveal its secrets.
This video is not sponsored. I just like molten metal, red hot sparks, and of course, the color blue. Let's start back at the beginning.
The Channel Lock factory is fascinating. The robot blacksmiths give it a futuristic, hardcore steampunk vibe, all while residing in a 100-year-old structure with its original cobblestone flooring. It's a stoic monument of a building with an aura of historical reverence, while at the same time shaking the very foundations with the repeated drop of a 9-ton hammer. Every single pair of Channel Lock pliers starts out as a billet of high-carbon steel rod. These hot-rolled rods are made right here in the USA, which means every part of these pliers bleeds red, white, and blue. Heavy emphasis on the red part as it comes out of the electric induction furnace.